On a road again, chilling, Port Elizabeth. One of my favorite spots to come to, Stelios and Andrea from PEasy. Here it is, beautiful, nice sun. It's a lifestyle. We're going to go in and say how's it. Okay, security gates are cool. So I think what's important about PEasy is that in the name, easy, it is easy because you can feel it. Look at the vibe. Guys chilling, doing some work, playing some football. Masanda Wana. Great art. They're having a puff and paint session. Some of the artwork, as far as I understand it, is from the members. That's the back end over there. Really cool. You can get some sandwiches, a bit of infused food. I always feel comfortable coming here because it's that chilled, nice fans going. Really like it. It's really hot here today, by the way. Merch, if you want the merch, the bongs, the whole number. This is the back end, the smoking area where cigarette smokers are not illegal. Andrea, how's it?
How's it going, my man?
How are you?
Great to meet you, Cameron.
Lekker, man. Nice to see you again.
All the best, man.
I want you to just focus on the artwork for 1 second because that's what makes this place special. It's visually stimulating. Love the artwork. This is PEasy, guys. So, dear man, nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Hey, how's things been going?
Always good. Always good. When the smoke's blowing, it's always good.
Yeah, fully. I wanted to ask you a few questions. Why? What made you set it up like this? Just give me an idea of how the name started.
The name PEasy Times, basically, the idea came like, there was 3 friends, myself, Stelio and Greg. We were always smokers. We always, since kids, basically, we talked about having a club. So we did our travels. We've been to Amsterdam, Belgium, Portugal, and we saw what we liked and what flows with us, like the gaming environment, the art, and to mix the two, to try and balance a cannabis club with a bar, which we were fortunate to get with the restaurant, and create a vibe that could mix it all was ultimate plan. And like marrying everything with art, the colors, it had to be visually aesthetically pleasing for your eye. You had to look there, and something had to change, especially if you're sitting down smoking and growing a community.
So like a visual tour.
Yeah.
Very cool. And how's it been? What's would you say is your most unique member experience in relation to being here?
Well, the member experience is building this community. The fight from the stigma of actually finding a place in Port Elizabeth to 2 years down the line saying there's 100 shops and the cannabis community has a safe place to come and join and collaborate and have a smoke and don't have to hide out in parks. This is what it was all about.
Yeah, then we know about hiding out in parks. So guys, just a quick update. PE, last year when I came around here, I think we were speaking earlier about 30 stores maybe. There's now 103. 4 days ago, I was in Jeffreys Bay. There was 7. Today there's 8. So alive and kicking and well. What would you say? Why should people come here?
People should come here for the experience, the eye candy, the awesome community, the ability to order great food on the strip and have a smoke in peace. Meet a friend that's able to have a drink and you can have your smoke. Come out, hang out if you're a student, come have your smoke, play your games. There's board games, there's entertainment on the TV. We create many events from puff and paint to DJs. And we try to collaborate with the whole street, whether it's a restaurant, a bar, and create a community with all. Yeah.
So strategic alliance in relation, which is also good for breaking stigma in relation to your neighbor might not like it, but he's now got an advantage in because he's okay with it.
If you go ask any restaurant on the strip, their sales have definitely gone up from the smoke.
Yeah. I do fully. Yeah, the munchies phenomenon.
Yeah.
They're all hungry. They're all hungry. Guys, so Port Elizabeth, in relation to what it looks like a landmark, and in relation to my experiences that I've had here, I would put PEasy alongside with the pottery, maybe one or two others which I won't mention now because I still need to go back, as top and one of the better experiences in PE. And we look forward to the vlog going live. We're speaking about doing some work together again. And it's always a good place to come to. Whenever in PE, this is where I come. There's two or three others that I go to, but this is definitely always the most inviting. Keep rolling, roll with us, come to PEasy and have a good time. Thank you.